Hello, and welcome to Flip the Coin, where we bring you the latest news and trends in the world of finance and investments. In this video, we will be discussing investing in Africa's entertainment industry, a booming sector with high potential. Africa has a rich culture, and its entertainment industry is becoming increasingly popular around the world. The continent is home to a diverse range of music, film, television, and other forms of entertainment, making it an attractive destination for investors. So, let's dive in and explore this exciting industry. A growing industry. The entertainment industry in Africa is rapidly growing, and its potential for growth is enormous. According to a report by PricewaterhouseCoopers, POX, the entertainment and media industry in Africa is projected to grow at a compound annual growth rate of 12.5% between 2020 and 2025. This growth is driven by factors such as the continent's large and growing youth population, rising disposable incomes, and the increasing popularity of digital media. Music industry. The music industry in Africa is one of the most vibrant and diverse in the world, with a wide variety of genres and styles. African music has gained global recognition in recent years, with artists such as Burna Boy, Wizkid, and Davido gaining international fame. The music industry is also becoming more digital, with streaming platforms such as Spotify and Apple Music expanding their presence in the region. Film industry. The film industry in Africa is also on the rise, with Nollywood in Nigeria being the second largest film industry in the world by volume. The industry is expanding rapidly, with new film production companies emerging across the continent. This growth is fueled by the increasing demand for African content, both within the continent and globally. Television industry. The television industry in Africa is also growing, with local and international broadcasters launching new channels across the continent. The popularity of African television shows is increasing, and more shows are being produced in various countries across the continent. The rise of digital television has also contributed to the growth of the industry, with more viewers accessing content online. Gaming industry. The gaming industry in Africa is also on the rise, with the continent's young population driving the growth. Mobile gaming is particularly popular in Africa, with games such as Candy Crush and Temple Run being among the most downloaded games on the continent. The industry is also seeing the emergence of local game developers, creating games tailored to African audiences. Theme parks and amusement centers. Theme parks and amusement centers are becoming more popular in Africa, with many countries across the continent investing in the industry. In South Africa, for example, Gold Reef City and Ashaka Marine World are popular destinations for tourists and locals alike. The rise of these parks is driven by the increasing demand for leisure activities, particularly among the continent's growing middle class. Arts and culture. Africa has a rich and diverse cultural heritage, and the continent's arts and culture industry is becoming increasingly popular. African art, music, and literature are gaining recognition worldwide, with many artists and writers from the continent receiving international acclaim. The industry is also an important source of employment for many people across the continent. Tourism. The entertainment industry is an important driver of tourism in Africa, with many tourists visiting the continent to experience its diverse range of cultural offerings. The industry also generates revenue for the continent, creating job opportunities and contributing to economic growth. In addition to traditional forms of tourism, such as visiting historical sites and wildlife reserves, entertainment-related activities, such as music festivals and film screenings, are also attracting visitors to the continent. Investment opportunities. Investing in Africa's entertainment industry presents numerous opportunities for investors. As the industry continues to grow, there is potential for significant returns on investment. One area of particular interest is the digital media sector, which is expected to experience rapid growth in the coming years. Investing in local production companies and content creators can also be a profitable venture, as the demand for African content continues to rise. In conclusion, Investing in Africa's entertainment industry is a smart move for investors looking to diversify their portfolio and tap into a growing market. With a young and growing population, rising disposable incomes, and increasing digital connectivity, the potential for growth in this sector is enormous. From music to film, television, gaming, theme parks, and arts and culture, there are many areas of the industry that present investment opportunities. So why not flip the coin and invest in Africa's booming entertainment industry?